Today I'm going to show you how to barbecue chicken on a pellet grill. Hello there, I am Chef Johnny and this is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you being here. Hey guys, we are cooking chicken today. We are barbecuing chicken on the pellet grill. Got a new one we're going to be looking at and I got some great rubs here. But let's get that chicken out, bring you in close and show you what we have to do to get a whole chicken ready to be put onto a pellet grill. Got my chicken right over here in a new refrigerator I got. Let's go over there and take a look at that and let you see it. Pretty nice little outdoor fridge. This is my new outdoor refrigerator, guys. I had been looking at getting one for a while. Just thought about picking one up at Sam's or something like that, and but they're not made for the outside. This was actually made for the outside. It's a little bit narrow. My tray wouldn't quite fit in there, but you can see digital readout. It's good and cold. Nice and tall. It'll fit into a narrow place if you need one. Fits really good between my pizza oven and the fireplace. That's it. Got that in from New Air, and I'll put a link down below so you can see it. Let's get this chicken over there and get her seasoned up. You probably noticed I had that bird sitting in the refrigerator uncovered. Guy, that dries that skin out a little bit. That just helps with the browning process. It helps crisping up your skin some also. So little tip there. Let it sit in the refrigerator uncovered to dry your skin out some. And it was just patted dry and put in there. It's been in there for a couple hours, but skin's getting pretty dry. Have that ready to go. I'm gonna season this with some just SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, and some hot dirty bird. We love the hot dirty bird around here, but I'm gonna pick it up. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season inside of this bird. So I'm gonna pick it up, open it up, and I am gonna get some of this SPG down in that bird. Now, use a binder, guys, whatever you like. I usually use mustard. Went in the house a while ago, we're out of mustard. So, olive oil, my number 2 choice always. We're gonna get it, but what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna truss this chicken up. Don't have any butcher's twine with me, so I'm gonna show you how to do it if you don't have butcher's twine. But we're going to season a little bit, kind of on this back end, so that when we tighten it together and pull everything together, y'all be able to see everything comes in there. I'm gonna have some seasoning here, but then we're gonna oil it and season the rest of the bird. But I wanna make sure I have some seasoning on the inside of these legs. So I'm just gonna take a little SPG, sprinkle here on the outside of this bird, just right there. A little bit of my hot dirty bird, just on this back end, not a lot. But now I'm gonna pick up this skin, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a slit right there where I can tuck this leg in there. You can tell it's a little cold here in Texas today. Got my fire going behind me, have my knife kit here, and y'all been watching me long, y'all know I carry this knife kit around with me a lot. This is the one that kind of goes hunting and fishing with me all the time. But open it up, and my paring knife will work just fine. All I have to do is cut a little slit right here, big enough for that leg to fit through. All right, then come on this side, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here, right? Just come in here. Make sure I have enough to tuck my legs in, get them together. So that is there. I'm just gonna come in here, and I'm gonna tuck that leg under that piece of skin, and then get this skin here, goes over the top of the other leg. And this is why I don't season the bird before I do that, because you see where my hands were all on it. Would have got the seasoning all messed up, but he's ready to go. Now, different things you do with the wings. You can tuck them, or you can cut little slits in the side and tuck them in. I think that's what I'm gonna do today. So we're gonna get over here. I'm gonna get my olive oil, and I'm just gonna lightly oil this bird. Doesn't take a whole lot. We just wanna coat the skin. This oil will also help with the browning some. He's there. Get him on the back side, a little oil here. This bird is lightly oiled. Don't want him drowning in it, but that's good there. Gonna pick him up. I'm going SPG first on this back side. Just a light coating. Spin him around so y'all can see it from that side. That's done. And then I'm gonna take my hot dirty bird, and these are both from Cosmos. Guys, you can get them online. Always got a link down below for Cosmos. I really do like their products. Been cooking with Cosmos for a while. Been a rep for them for a few years now, but that one's ready to go. It's nice, it's even. I'm gonna turn him over. Now we wanna do this top. It's already been oiled. SPG. Evenly across the top. I'm gonna hold out that wing, get it in that side. Same way here. Then we're coming back on top with our dirty bird. Let's get this wing in the side. Here we go, wing. That's good. And now I'm just gonna do a nice even coat right there. That bird is pretty. Gonna let it sweat a little bit. Like I said, you could tuck the wings, or the other way to do it is just cut a little slit right here behind the breast. Push that wing in there. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna come in here just below that breast, cut me a little hole between it and the thigh. Take my wing, push it in right there. All right, let's take a little bit of my hot dirty bird. Get that side of the head on the outside edge. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here, guys. That bird looks good. I'm gonna check this Z grill over here, give y'all a look at it. I'm gonna put a link below for my buddy Tommy over at Gallery Backyard Barbecue. He showed the assembly of this grill and everything. I'm not gonna show you all that. I'm just gonna show you how it cooks chicken. That's what I'm gonna show you on mine. But anyways, we're gonna get it together. Cooked some chicken thighs on it the other day, or actually leg quarters. And it could not have held another piece of chicken. Let me tell you, we had it full. It kept up. I thought it did a good job on that. Gonna shoot a video for you today and let you see how this does with this whole chicken. I'm thinking 250, couple hours, we're gonna have some chicken. We're gonna put it in there and let y'all look at it. So let me check the temp. If it's ready, we're gonna set this bird on there. There's a good look at that Z grills, guys. It comes with a nice cabinet up underneath it. I'll leave the model number and everything it is. Digital readout. It comes with 2 temperature probes. Not gonna use those tonight. I've got some things I'm gonna be doing, so I'm gonna put in my meat stick, and I can read that from off somewhere else. So anyways, let's get that chicken onto this grill and see how it cooks up, and y'all get a chance to see the inside of it a little bit. Now, y'all know normally when I put a chicken on there, I put heat or butt end, the dark end toward the heat. This has heat up sides, heat sources right in the middle, coming up the sides, coming up both ends. Might have a little more heat on this end because it kind of feeds up and goes out, and that is the stack. So I'm gonna go dark end here. Don't think there's really a hot or a cool area, but we're gonna go pretty much dead center of the grill. Let's pick this up. Get our bird in here. We're gonna let it get started here in a little bit. I'll grab that meat stick thermometer, put it in there, then I can walk around, do the things I need to get done this evening, and come back here and check on our chicken. Like I said, about a 2-hour cook. Sun just went down, so we're gonna eat about 8 o'clock. Well, there you go, guys. Got the chicken on. Quickly, just gonna say a couple of things to you. First, I'll thank you to the 56,000 people that subscribe to this channel, the guys that watch regularly, the ladies that watch regularly. Thank all of y'all so very much. To the people that use my affiliates, again, thank you on behalf of me and them. Hey, and check some of those out. Guys, I have an Amazon store. Even if you don't use anything in my store, if you go through that link, it helps the channel out a little bit, and I make a little bit back from Amazon, and it helps me pay for food, pay for rubs, the different things I need to do. But check out Heads or Tails hats, check out Scree hunting gear. They're big sponsors, Chapman Cattle. Guys, a lot of people support me. Links are always down below, but hey, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. Now it's time to check that chicken out. It's been a while for me, but just a few minutes for y'all. So let's look, get that meat stick in there and see how that chicken's looking. Now, got my meat stick. like any of the other wireless thermometers you got, guys. This acts as a booster. I've got a meter. I've got the original one that this didn't boost. It was just whatever came off of this. I've got the one that has the booster like this, and now meat stick, and I've got another one. Can't remember the name of it. Got quite a few of them. They all work pretty good. We want to give this meat stick a try. See if I like it better than my meter. But you bury it all the way up to the top, and this will give you your pit temp, and this will give you your meat temp. So let's get it on this chicken. See how the chicken's looking. We're an hour into this cook. Now, you can see the wing good where I tucked it in a while ago. I would say color-wise, I think we're a little behind time on color, but different ways you could go in this way. I think I'm gonna go in from right here, go to the front of that breast, kind of get it in the center of the breast where it measures good, but we're an hour in. We're gonna check our temp. Of course, we're gonna take this bird to 165 in the breast. Let's close it back up and see how much longer we have to go. See y'all in a little bit, and we'll see how this Z Grills does on this chicken. It says we're to temp. Get it off here and sit it down and let it rest. We're gonna let this yard bird sit for about 15 minutes now and let some of those juices kind of settle down in it, let it reabsorb back into that muscle before we slice into this. But that Dirty Bird Hot, guys, it put a nice color on it. We've got some smoke on it. Like I said, maybe not the degree of smoke I'd like to have. Do this again with a bird. Might use a smoking tube in there just to add a little bit more smoke to it. But I tell you what, it ran really well, kept temperature good. Took about 2 hours and 5 minutes to cook this bird. I figured at 250 it'd be about a 2-hour cook, and it was just a little bit over. But our meat stick did good. I think it went a little bit further than my meter. Guys, I went into the house, and it cut off, I think, one time on me while it's in the house. And so that's a pretty good ways off. But had some good range to it. We're gonna clean this up, get it back on there to charge, keep running some tests on it. But meat stick, looks like it's gonna be a pretty good one. This bird's looking pretty. We're gonna see if we can slice some of it off here off this breast. Let's just take it off from here. Oh yeah, moist. You cook a bird, see, look at that wing was tucked in there where we had it. Slice off another one. Look at that. Boy, that bird looks pretty. It's moist. That pellet grill did put some smoke ring on it. We got a nice little ring around here. All that's looking pretty. So I tell you what, guys, it's a nice bird. I'd like to see a little more smoke on the outside, but that's still a nice looking chicken. There you have it, guys. Beautiful yard bird. I bet you it's gonna taste great. Remember to check out my sponsors. Talked to you a little bit about them earlier. Got some links below for that new refrigerator, for that Z Grills. But guys, hey, it's a great cook. You wanna cook a whole bird on your pellet grill? You can do it. Get you some Cosmos rubs, SPG, and hot dirty bird's what I use today. If you don't like the heat, get the regular dirty bird. But my family loves it. I bet you this is gonna taste great. I'm gonna take this piece off right here. Man, that is moist as it can be. We're gonna give it a little taste. Wonderful, wonderful. It's nice, firm flesh. It's moist. Got a little bit of kick in it from the Dirty Bird Hot. Guys, this little meat stick worked really well. Beautiful yard bird, moist, tender, great flavor from our Cosmos rubs. If you don't like the heat, go with regular Dirty Bird, but either way, can't go wrong. Thanks for dropping by my 56,000 subscribers. Love you guys. Always appreciate you being here. Hey, tell your friends and family about us. Share us on your social media. We're going to see y'all down the road on Texas style barbecue and cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.